or welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video today. So as you can see by the title of the video, I wanted to do a makeup look. I haven't did color in a very long time, so I wanted to do something fun, flirty, but bringing it into like more of this, you know, I said the summertime. My bad, y'all. I meant the spring. So that's what this video is all about, and it's actually using some new products that I ended up picking up, some new products that just came out recently in the past few months. So if you guys are interested in this look, just make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so yes, I wanted to do a makeup look. I haven't did like a colorful look in a hot little minute, so I thought today would be a very good day. But first things first, since we are trying out new products, and the first thing that I ended up picking up on my list was this new foundation that just dropped in Sephora, I think this year. It's the brand called LYS, and it's actually a black-owned brand. So I was super hyped about that. I'm like, a black-owned brand in Sephora? Yes, bring this melanin into Sephora. So I ended up picking up this foundation, and it's actually affordable. It's only $22, so that was another still like bomb. I wanted to get the other stuff, but they were all sold out, so I just ended up picking up the foundation. And the color that I got is TG5. Oh, and this foundation is only sold online. It's not in the stores. So that's the only thing about it. It's only sold online, so it's a hard time picking out the color. So hopefully I got my color side. Yes, I prepped and primed my skin, then my eyebrows. You already know I got to do that off camera because it takes forever. So let's go ahead and go into this foundation. I'm just adding my powder. So let me read the specs before I put this foundation on my face. It's a triple fix serum foundation with turmeric and ashwagandha. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But basically this is a let's see. Basically this is a light to medium cover foundation that's infused with nourishing skin like ashwagandha, hyaluronic acid, and turmeric to enhance the look of your complexion. This undetectable serum foundation instantly diffuses the look of dark spots, pores, fine lines, and imperfections without masking your skin's natural beauty. So yeah, we're gonna put this foundation out to the test. Let's see. The model that they had displayed on was, I feel like she's kind of lighter than me, to be honest, but I'll put I'll put a picture up like right here. But I think she's kind of lighter than me from what they put on there. So I was like, but then again, more of like a liquid, like it's dripping down. So it's not really thick on there. But anyway, so the girl, I feel like she's a little bit lighter than me, but the person behind her, or the next color up above her, is like totally dark, and I'll put her picture up right there. So I was like, I don't know. I mean, I honestly do not know. Okay, so you guys can clearly see that this foundation, even like with my chest area and everything, is a little bit too light for me. This was the first layer, and I can still see some imperfections that I want to cover up a little bit more, just a little bit more. But other than that, it went on so well. It went on well, especially with my primers. It went on well. I went in more of a mattifying primer. It doesn't look bad at all. It did warm up on my skin a little bit more. So I think I'm still ended up having to like mix foundation. Okay, sorry y'all. I think my battery died. But anyway, so I didn't have any new like concealer and any contouring or anything like that. That is on my to-do list. I need to find or get some new concealer and stuff like that. In the meantime, since my face is doing the most right now, let's go ahead and go into the eyes. And the new eye primer. I've been using concealer, but today I'm actually using a primer. It's by e.l.f. It's the Putty Eye Primer. Y'all, I love the e.l.f., you know, Putty Primer, matte primer. So I thought, hey, why not? Let's go ahead and try something different by e.l.f. So it is super thick. It's in the color cream. I think they got 4 different colors, but this is in the color cream. And put this all over my eyelids. So we're gonna go in with the 35S Sweet Oasis palette that just launched, I think, like maybe like in February or January. It's by collab with La Sarai. So yeah, so I ended up picking up this one, and I think I want to do more of a pink look since I got on green. I think pink and green does go or flow well together. Which one I think I want to do, I'm trying to see which brush I want to do. Morphe M441 brush. I think I'm gonna go in with trying to see, Yacht Life. Yeah, let's start with Yacht Life. Yacht Life. So I'm gonna go in on the outer part and go in with Yacht Life and just pack it on, per se. Just pack it on. Swipe and then pack at the same time. And with the lighter color, Sneak Peek. I'm gonna go in with a different brush as well. Oh, I hope this color pulls up on me. I'm going in with my MAC 224 brush. Okay, so I don't know where I left off. I thought I was recording this entire time, y'all, but I went in first with Yacht Life, of course, on the outer V, and I went in with Sneak a Kiss to blend it out a little bit. So now I'm going in with Revel in It on a flat brush. This is the Morphe M167 brush, actually. And let me get, let me see. Ooh, okay. Let's see. This color is gorgeous. So my eyelid color is on. I think I'm gonna deepen up just a little bit, just a tad bit, with Vineyard Escape on here. Vineyard Escape. I didn't even show y'all. This is what the palette looks like. I don't know if I really showed y'all, but Vineyard Escape on there. Tap it off a little bit, and just on the ends of my V, I'm gonna do like a little circular motion just to deepen it up a little bit on the ends. Inner color, I'm gonna go in with Just Us 2, and just put it on the inner quarter just a bit. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that looks so gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on really quickly and finish up the bronze my face a little bit more, and I'll be right back. So we are back. So I finished up my eyes and did my waterline. I think with this look, if you don't do white, I think cream will do very, very well in the waterline. But yeah, so the eyelashes that I did use, and they're really, really good. I actually like these eyelashes, are the 8D lashes by Ardell. So this is what they are. So those are the ones I use. Those are new that I just picked up too. So anyway, next we're going on to blush. So I ended up purchasing 2 blushes from e.l.f. Y'all, I heard these are really good, and they're of course affordable. So yeah, I was like, let's go ahead and just pick that up. So I want to start with the color, what color is this? Spiced Apple first, and see how that looks. And then I'm gonna do like a dab of the other color. So let's do this color first. I like to take my blush and do it right there, and then do it up there that way. Okay. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. It's buildable. It's a buildable blush. That's the other side. And then I'm gonna take a smidget of this color Guava. I think this is gonna be a really, really pretty color. Guava. See how that builds up. It's not picking up. Hold on. Hold on. The only thing about it is so small. Gotta do it like this. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. That looks good. I like it. I think that looks cute. I think that looks pretty. It brings the look together. I did pick up a new highlight. I don't know if it's a new highlight like that just came out, but it's new to me. So yeah, I ended up picking up the Makeup Revolution highlight. This is what it is. Dare to divulge. Divulge? Yeah, divulge. So let's see. Let me take, I think a little bit. Let's see if it's a buildable. This is more like a champagne color. Okay. A little bit on my nose, just a little bit. Slap it this way. Okay. Okay. And then some right there. And right there. Oh, okay. On the other side. The other side. Other side. Other side of me. Ooh, okay. Y'all, when y'all get a song stuck in your head, you don't know where it came from. Like, where did it even come from? Okay, so I don't like to go over with whatever I have left on my blush brush and just blend it in. That's cute. I like it, but I wish it was a little bit more golden. And finish up my under eyes really quickly. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush. I'm gonna go back in with the color of Sneaker Kiss first. Sneaker Kiss. Do that right up under the eye. Yeah, back in with Yacht Life. Using a light hand. I always use a light hand. Okay, so next we're going in with the lips. So first, let me take my lip liner, and y'all already know BFF3 Color Pop. This is my fave. I'm going in. I would leave my lip like this. Like, this is so cute to me. Y'all know I love a nice matte lip. But for the sake of the video and what I purchased, I'm gonna go ahead and do a glossy lip. So I did that, and let me go in with my If I Want To lipstick by Revlon. Well, the color is in If I Want To, and it's by Revlon. It's more of like a pinky mauve color. Next, I'm going in with this new. Now this one came out last year, so in like November-ish, I'm not sure, but this is still new to me. So it's the I'm going in with the lip gloss. So it's by Maybelline. It's their Lifter Gloss, and I heard this is like a dupe for like the KW lip glosses. It does have hyaluronic acid in it. What is the color that I get? I got the color Stone. So let's see what this is. Let's try this out. Ooh, okay. It looks just like what I put on too. Okay. I like this color. This is a nice color to have. I heard this is a popular color anyway. Stone. Is it sandstone or stone? Stone. So, okay, I think I can dig it and make my lips really juicy. So I like that. To set everything off, I'm using my Stay All Night Micro Setting Mist by e.l.f. This is like a dupe for the Urban Decay All Nighters, but it doesn't. It's more of a mist. When they say it's a mist, it is. It really is. So. Okay, so that is it for the look for today, and everything came out so cute and so put together. So all the products that I did use, I will have a link down below of everything, as well as I put a pin in the comments of like my review on the foundation. I know, like I said earlier, it's affordable, it's black owned, so I think and then being in Sephora is what really gravitated me towards this foundation, and that is give you like more, they say like it's give you like a more like a glowy look or whatnot. It's not like a full coverage foundation or like a matte coverage foundation, you know. So I was hyped about this, and I'm still hyped about this, to be honest, because it came out looking very, very well. Like, I thought the color is off. I still kind of think the color's off a little bit. It's way better to me. This foundation looks way better on me than my Morphe foundation that I did review that I did. If you want to see that review, I will put a link up in the cards. But I like this color and this formula way better than that one. But again, I'm still gonna wear it throughout the day, see how it holds up with my oily skin, and let you guys know in the comments about it. The blushes that I use, what's there to say? What is there to say? They're affordable, and these blushes are gonna be like my go-to blushes. If that foundation holds up really well, that foundation is gonna be like my go-to top foundation. So I love the blushes, and the lipstick, not the lipstick, the lip gloss that I picked up from Maybelline, bomb as well. The only thing I think I did not like in my makeup haul that I did get is this one. I thought it was gonna look better than what it's picking up. It looks so cute on camera, but like the highlight of it, I really don't like the color. Like the payoff, the color is not picking up well what I thought it would on my face. So I think that's the only thing I didn't like. And of course this palette, bomb colors that she picked out, especially for the springtime. If I haven't tried this, I would suggest on trying this, because the payoff and what it did for this eye look was really, really well. So the eye putty primer, bomb. It is super thick. That's super thick, but I rather it to be super thick, so I'll know it'll stay on my face, so I'll know that it'll give me this color payout that I do want. So I would suggest on getting this primer as well. So all the products except for one really did really well on my face today. So yeah, so thank you guys for tuning into my video and watching and everything. And don't forget to make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe. What are you doing? You're on my video. You've been clicking on my video. So make sure you subscribe down below to my channel. And if you're feeling this look like I'm feeling this look, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, bye.